It's a nice path you're making, JJ. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you're sitting? Yeah, you can sit.
Lay down.
Okay, if you want to lay down.
No.
Okay, then don't lay down. Whoa!
Some of it turned into ice.
Yep.
If it starts getting windy, I'm just gonna jump.
Okay.
Mom, this way.
Okay, we'll go that way. You want to come with us, Serena?
Where are you going?
I don't know. This way.
Ha.
Jasper's cutting the path.
A path.
Yep. You made it to the not so deep part. You gonna play in your pirate ship? Okay, I'll follow you.
Oh, which way?
That way? In the back? We can go in the back.
Oh, Jasper. Mom, up.
What you need help with?
Up, up.
Oh, you want me to carry you? Okay.